Every week, drivers walk into tire shops and spend anywhere from $800 to $1,500 on a set of tires. And many of them have no idea what they're actually buying. That's a problem, because tires are the only part of your vehicle touching the road. Not the engine, not the brakes, not the suspension, just 4 contact patches about the size of your hand. A bad tire can increase stopping distance, reduce wet weather traction, create dangerous hydroplaning situations, and wear out thousands of miles earlier than expected. I've seen drivers replace cheap tires twice as often as premium alternatives. What looked like a bargain ended up costing hundreds more. And here's what most buyers don't realize. Some tire brands look fantastic on paper. The warranty sounds great. The price looks attractive. The salesman says they're comparable to premium brands. But after thousands of miles, mechanics start seeing the same complaints over and over again. By the end of this video, you'll know which tire brands many experienced mechanics avoid and which ones repeatedly disappoint owners after purchase. And some of the worst offenders aren't necessarily the cheapest tires on the market. Number 7. Worst. Westlake. Westlake has grown in popularity mainly because of its low price. A full set can cost hundreds less than premium competitors. To be fair, the brand has improved over the years, and some models work reasonably well for light-duty driving. The problem is consistency. Many drivers expect 60,000 miles of tread life but struggle to reach 35,000 to 40,000 miles, especially on SUVs and trucks. Road noise often increases as the tire ages, and wet traction can decline noticeably after moderate wear. That's where the real concern begins. A tire doesn't need to fail completely to become a safety issue. Longer stopping distances in the rain are enough. For drivers on a strict budget and low annual mileage, Westlake may be acceptable. But many mechanics would rather spend slightly more for a tire that lasts longer and performs more consistently. Number 6. Lionheart. Lionheart attracts buyers with aggressive styling and attractive pricing, especially in the SUV and crossover market. When new, many drivers are satisfied, but long-term ownership often tells a different story. Mechanics frequently see rapid tread wear, increasing road noise, declining ride comfort, and reduced wet weather performance as mileage accumulates. Many owners discover that the initial savings disappear when replacement comes much sooner than expected. For low-mileage drivers, these issues may never become significant. But for commuters and highway drivers, there are usually better options available. Number 5. Fullway. Fullway has become popular through online tire retailers because the pricing is extremely competitive. The biggest concern is wet weather performance. Many drivers report acceptable performance when the tires are new, but confidence decreases as tread depth wears down. Hydroplaning resistance and rain traction often fall behind stronger competitors. I've also seen uneven wear patterns appear despite proper alignment and maintenance. For drivers of trucks and SUVs who spend a lot of time on highways, that's not something to ignore. If most of your driving is local and low speed, Fullway may be adequate. But for long-term ownership, many mechanics prefer spending more for a tire with stronger all-weather performance. Number 4. Ironman. Ironman is widely available and marketed as a value-oriented alternative. Unfortunately, availability doesn't always equal quality. One of the most common complaints is tread noise. After 15,000 to 20,000 miles, many drivers report noticeably louder road noise, particularly on larger SUVs. Ride quality can also become harsher with age, and some fleet operators report shorter than expected tread life under heavier loads. A lower purchase price may save money initially, but losing thousands of miles of service life can quickly erase those savings. For occasional use vehicles, Ironman may be sufficient, but many technicians recommend other brands in the same price range. Number 3. Delinte. Delinte has gained a following among budget-conscious buyers, and some models perform reasonably well. The issue is consistency. One model may deliver acceptable results, while another experiences accelerated wear, vibration issues, or excessive road noise. That inconsistency makes it difficult for mechanics to recommend confidently. High-mileage drivers often discover replacement intervals arrive much sooner than expected, increasing long-term ownership costs. Not every Delinte tire is poor, but the brand's uneven performance keeps it near the bottom of many mechanic rankings. Number 2. Advanta. Advanta often attracts attention with aggressive pricing and generous warranty claims. The problem is that warranties don't always reflect real-world durability. Mechanics commonly see accelerated wear on heavier vehicles, particularly trucks and mid-size SUVs. Wet weather traction is another frequent complaint. The tires often feel acceptable when new, which makes the gradual decline even more frustrating. By the time drivers realize performance is slipping, a significant portion of the tread life is already gone. A bargain tire that wears out early isn't much of a bargain at all. Number 1. GeoDrive. GeoDrive earns the top spot because of one recurring issue: long-term value. The low purchase price attracts buyers, but many tire shops report complaints involving tread longevity, wet weather grip, ride quality, vibration, and uneven wear. The biggest concern is emergency performance. As traction declines, stopping distances increase, and emergency maneuvers become less predictable. Hydroplaning resistance also suffers. Many drivers focus on saving money up front, but replacing a cheaper tire twice often costs more than buying a higher quality tire once. For very low mileage drivers on tight budgets, GeoDrive may get the job done, but few experienced mechanics consider it a trusted long-term choice. 8. Tire brands worth every dollar. Now let's move to the brands that consistently earn respect from mechanics, fleet operators, truck owners, and long-distance drivers. These aren't always the cheapest options. They aren't perfect either, but they repeatedly prove their value through traction, durability, ride quality, and long-term ownership costs. Number 8. Falken. Falken has built a strong reputation, particularly among truck and SUV owners. The Wild Peak lineup is one of the biggest reasons why. Drivers regularly report strong all-weather traction, respectable tread life, and surprisingly comfortable ride quality. Many trucks equipped with Falkens show even wear patterns and maintain confidence in rain and light snow. Some models are slightly heavier than competitors, which can affect fuel economy a bit. Still, many owners feel the durability easily outweighs that drawback. Number 7. General Tire. General Tire often lives in the shadow of its parent company, Continental. That's unfortunate because General consistently delivers solid performance at a more affordable price point. The Ultimax lineup is especially respected for dependable wet traction, comfortable ride quality, predictable handling, and strong tread life. Fleet operators and commuters frequently report excellent value over the long term. While some models may not feel quite as refined as premium competitors, the overall performance-to-price ratio remains impressive. Number 6. Cooper. Cooper has been trusted by American drivers for decades, particularly truck owners. One reason mechanics like Cooper is predictable wear. Even wear generally means fewer surprises, less noise, better handling, and more consistent performance throughout the tire's life. The Discoverer series remains particularly popular thanks to good wet weather traction, respectable ride comfort, and reasonable replacement costs. Cooper may not always deliver class-leading tread life, but its reliability and consistency keep it near the top of many mechanic recommendation lists. Number 5. Yokohama. Yokohama has earned a reputation for balance. It may not dominate a single category, but it performs very well across nearly all of them. That's exactly what many drivers want. Whether it's daily commuting, highway travel, wet roads, or occasional winter weather, Yokohama tends to deliver predictable results. Mechanics frequently notice excellent treadwear consistency and low road noise throughout the tire's life. Wet weather traction also remains strong even after significant mileage. I've seen many high-mileage sedans and crossovers perform exceptionally well on Yokohama tires. The main downside is price. Some models approach premium brand territory. Still, the overall performance often justifies the cost. Before moving into the top 4, here's something many drivers overlook. Mechanics don't automatically buy the most expensive tire available. Value matters more than price. A properly maintained mid-price tire can often outperform a neglected premium tire. Tire pressure, rotation intervals, alignment, and driving habits all play a major role in how long any tire lasts. Now let's move into the heavy hitters. Number 4. Bridgestone. Bridgestone has been one of the industry's leading names for decades. There's a reason many vehicle manufacturers install Bridgestone tires as original equipment. The company invests heavily in research and development, and that investment often shows up in real-world performance. Drivers regularly report strong wet weather traction, excellent steering response, and predictable emergency handling. The Turanza and Alenza lines are particularly popular among commuters and SUV owners. During inspections, Bridgestone tires often display even wear when properly maintained. The biggest drawback is price. These are rarely budget tires, and some models ride slightly firmer than competitors. Still, for drivers who prioritize safety, stability, and consistent performance, Bridgestone remains one of the strongest choices available. Number 3. Continental. Continental has become one of the most respected tire manufacturers in the world. What separates Continental from many competitors is how well its tires maintain performance as they age. Some tires feel excellent when new and gradually decline as tread wears down. Continental often stays predictable much deeper into its tread life. The extreme contact and cross-contact lines are especially well regarded. Independent testing frequently places Continental near the top for wet braking performance. Drivers also report excellent ride comfort and low road noise. Mechanics often see these tires wearing evenly while maintaining strong traction throughout their service life. The primary downside is cost. Replacement prices can be significant, and availability may vary depending on location. Even so, for drivers planning long-term ownership, Continental often proves to be a worthwhile investment. Number 2. Michelin. If you ask experienced mechanics for tire recommendations, Michelin will almost always appear near the top. Not because of marketing, because of results. Michelin has built its reputation through exceptional tread life, consistent ride quality, strong wet weather traction, and long-term durability. Many taxi fleets, rideshare operators, and high-mileage commuters rely on Michelin for exactly those reasons. The Defender series has become particularly famous for longevity. It's not uncommon to see drivers approach or even exceed warranty mileage when maintenance is kept up properly. Another advantage is fuel economy. Michelin's lower rolling resistance designs often help drivers squeeze a little more efficiency from every tank of fuel. The biggest downside is obvious: cost. Michelin is rarely cheap. Many buyers experience sticker shock when comparing prices against budget alternatives. But many also discover that the tire lasts long enough to offset much of that higher purchase price. For long-term value, Michelin remains one of the safest recommendations a mechanic can make. Yet one brand continues to challenge Michelin in real-world service. Number 1. Goodyear. Some viewers may be surprised to see Goodyear at the top. It doesn't always dominate enthusiast discussions or online rankings. But in everyday service, Goodyear continues earning trust from mechanics, truck owners, commercial fleets, and long-term vehicle owners. Why? Balance. Goodyear consistently performs well across multiple categories rather than excelling in only one. Drivers benefit from good tread life, dependable wet weather traction, strong highway stability, and nationwide availability. Mechanics also appreciate consistency. The Assurance and Wrangler product lines frequently demonstrate impressive real-world durability. I've seen many high-mileage trucks running Goodyear tires with remarkably even wear patterns. Fleet operators often choose Goodyear because predictable performance matters more than flashy advertising claims. Not every Goodyear tire is exceptional. Some entry-level models are simply average, and certain competitors may outperform them in specific categories. But when you evaluate the entire package, durability, traction, availability, long-term ownership costs, and consistency, Goodyear repeatedly delivers. That's why it earns the top position. Not because it's perfect, because it consistently works well across a huge range of vehicles and driving conditions. Here's the reality: most tire problems don't begin with catastrophic failures. They start with small compromises, a little less grip in the rain, a little more road noise, a little faster tread wear. Over tens of thousands of miles, those compromises become expensive. That's why experienced mechanics rarely choose tires based on price alone. Instead, they focus on 5 factors: traction, longevity, ride quality, consistency, real-world performance. The tire you choose won't guarantee safety, just like the best engine oil won't guarantee a 500,000-mile engine. But choosing a quality tire dramatically improves your chances of avoiding costly problems later. A premium tire that lasts longer, stops shorter in the rain, and maintains performance throughout its life often becomes the cheaper option in the long run. That's the part many drivers miss. The cheapest tire isn't always the lowest cost tire. The best value comes from a tire that performs consistently, mile after mile. So now I want to hear from you. Which tire brand are you currently running? And which ranking surprised you the most? Leave a comment below. If you enjoy practical mechanic advice without the marketing hype, consider subscribing. And don't miss the next maintenance video, because one simple tire pressure mistake is quietly costing many drivers fuel economy, tread life, and hundreds of dollars every year. The brands mechanics trust weren't chosen in marketing departments. They earned that trust 1 mile at a time.